Hi, this is a quick video just to walk you through the house flipping spreadsheet. So this is the demo file that I use. So you just need to fill in the cells that have this gray fill. These are the only cells that you need to touch. All the other ones are auto-calculating. So if we start at the top, you've got your house area. This will help calculate your cost per square foot. Your preliminary budget that you have for your project. All of these other ones will automatically fill out. So you've got your estimated cost, your actual cost, and then the difference will auto-calculate. All of these items here, they will automatically fill out as you fill in all of this data down here. The selling price you put in by yourself, what your estimated selling price is going to be and your actual price. All of this bit will automatically populate. And then down here, you've got all of your estimated and actual costs for each of these categories. So if you don't need some of the items, if you've only got these 4 items and you don't need any of these other ones, you can just cross them out. If you want to change the wording, just retype over here. If you've got some other fees that you want to put in, just change other to some other text and that's fine. And then put in your prices here. And then here you've got your holding costs. So this is just insert how many months you predict you're going to be holding it for, your monthly costs here. And same if you've got any other ones that you want to add here, just change these ones, fill in these. This total overall holding costs, this will automatically update as you fill in all of these cells here. And then it just carries on. So same for selling costs, filling in the brown cells. Same for construction labor and materials as well. So you just fill in your brown cells, edit the other ones if you need, or just cross them out. So you can cross out, just go by format, text, strike through, and then your graphs will auto-populate as you fill in all the costs here. The next page is the contacts page. So this is just a pure text-based page. So just fill in the contact details for each person you have in your project, your project info. You can fill in data here. If you've got any links to files on your Google Drive, you can link them here. So just right click, insert link, and then you just go and find it in your Google Drive. And then the planner here, there are pre-filled items over here with miscellaneous tasks, so you can overwrite this if you want to add some other tasks in this section. Again, you just fill in the cells that are brown, so you just fill in these ones, so just change the percentage. That will update this bar chart here. And then change the start date and the duration, and that will automatically update this date and also show on the Gantt chart here. You can also update your project start date up here, and this will change all of these dates down here.